Hi everyone, and thank you for coming to another Fashion Friday. I know I've been missing in action, but everything is okay. And I just want to make this real quick and not to hold you too long, but I do appreciate you coming and I do appreciate and respect your time. So tonight we're doing this pattern. It's 40.99 and we're making this view, just the top. It's a simple round neck top or boat neck top with all-in-one sleeves. You don't have to set in the sleeve. It's very simple. This is an easy pattern for beginners. It has vents at the side, and you'll see. Now, here's the news. I won't say it's bad news. I'll just say it happens. So I was recording and a funny thing happened. The recording got lost. The front half of the recording. So by the time you see where I picked it up, the top is almost made, and I have just a few tips on how to do certain things for the top. So I hope you'll forgive me. I'm sure you've had, those little off times when the video just didn't go right. Oh, what can I say? Poof! It's happened, and it just happens to be that this is Halloween weekend. So I don't know what's going on in the cosmos that caused the video to go all wrong. But anyway, I was able to salvage some of it. And you will see me modeling the top. So let's get right into it. Thank you again for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And also make a comment after the video, just for the algorithm. I thank you. I appreciate you. See you. Let's take a look. So basically, I'm just going to pin this down around so I can flatten this out. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to pin it around. I'm just going to place it flat on the sewing machine like this, turning the seam towards the facing side, and then we're going to make a little close stitch right here. I'm going to take my needle over to the left side so that it's closer to the seam, and then I'm going to stitch it down so that the seam doesn't roll. I'll just keep checking and making sure that it's done. It's there. You just have to make sure that it's staying flat. And this, the fabric does stretch. So this is another good thing to do to, minimize the amount of stretch that you have around the neck. So I'm hemming this down now. I've already completed sewing around the facing to miter those facings to keep it close, and I am now just hemming the facing down around the neck, and then once I complete this, I can go on and sew up the sides and hem the bottom. This top does have some side vents, and yeah, so I'll have to top stitch those, but I didn't want to top stitch the neckline because the fabric is kind of thick. As you can see, it has this red side with the design in it, and then there's the black underneath, and that's how they get that pattern on the other side of the fabric. But the red side is the only right side of the fabric. So there we have it. It's all hemmed around. We just give it a press at the end. And now I'm going to go ahead and sew up my sides and do my facing, the sleeve hems. And then I guess the next time you see it, it will be complete and it will be on me. How about that? Fashion Friday. Here I come.